How to create a survey in Airtable. In this video, I'll show you how to create a survey in Airtable. So to get started, go ahead and open Airtable into your preferred browser, sign into your account, and head over into your base. So go ahead and click on your base. And then once you're inside your base, head over into the Forms tab. So you'll find the Forms button at the right side of the interfaces. So once you click on that, that will take you into this section. So in here, click on this New Form button at the top right of your screen to create a new form for your base. So since what you want to do is to create a survey form, make sure to set the table into create a new table, and then set the table name to survey form, and then set the form name to survey form, and then click on this create form button once you're satisfied on this information that you have entered. So once this is created, you can go ahead and tailor fit the survey form depending on how you want it to look like. So once you're done with this, you can go ahead and simply click on this publish button at the top right of your screen, and all of the responses that have actually been received on this form will now arrive on the table that is created based on this form. And that is how you can basically create a survey in Airtable. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.